Recently, I tried copper plating a maple leaf, and it was, I suppose, sort of successful. It wasn't quite what I was aiming for. I was aiming for sort of blotchy bits of copper, and I ended up just making the entire thing copper coloured. So, today I want to sort of try and do the same thing, but with brass. I think I'm going to do a butterfly this time rather than a leaf, as I think a butterfly, get some nice brass colour on it, it'll look pretty cool. So I want to brass plate. I have no idea if this is possible. The copper plating or the copper blotches was something that I've seen Stephen Lund do. However, I don't know if he's done it with brass. So this is sort of something that I've just thought of to try and have a go at. It might go horribly wrong. Let's see what happens. Here's our template. Just a butterfly. I've stuck it onto this sheet steel. It's about 2mm. Just with some super glue, and I'll cut it out now with an angle grinder. Here's the piece all cut out. I'll put it in the forge, so we'll burn off this bit of paper, and I think I'll texture up the wings as I did the leaf. Just a slight texture, just so it's not plain and flat. And we can give it a bit more shape as well, as at the moment it's very 2D and we want this to be a 3D animal. Butterfly's here. I've given it a wire brush so it's nice and clean. The surface is clean, so hopefully we get a good adhesion. I don't know if that's quite the word, but here are little cutouts of brass, which will preheat the butterfly to about a red, and then we will put on our little bits of brass just around, sort of like that. Place that into the fire just on top of the coals and heat it up, and just carefully look at it and watch until all the until all the brass has melted, and then I suppose we can wire brush it and see if it's worked. Let's see if it worked. I don't know if it has. I'll give it a wire brush and we'll see what's happened. So we have got a couple of blobs of brass about the place, but I think they might just fall off when I do this. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing really, but let's have a look what happens when we wire brush it. So it didn't work. I think what I might do is cut the brass a little bit smaller, because at that time they took a little bit too long to melt, I think. So if I do smaller pieces of brass, it might work. Let's have a go. let's see how that one worked. I think it went a little bit better. I've just quenched it off and you can see there that the brass has gone onto the surface. So at the moment it's worked. It's a little bit crispy due to all the scale. So hopefully we can wire brush that off, revealing the brass. However, I don't know if the brass is going to stay on. It might all just fly off. Let's have a go. For whatever reason, most of the butterfly looks copper coloured, bar a couple of places like here, there's a little splodge of brass, and also on the bottom of this wing here is also a little bit more brass coloured. So I don't really know how I've done this. I mean, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, so, and lots of other things, but maybe I've burnt all the zinc off and left the copper. I don't know. I have no idea how I've done this. I need to experiment more to try and work out what it is that I'm doing. So this didn't quite go to plan, as it ended up being copper coloured rather than being brass coloured. I mean, there was a little bit of brass on the corner and a little splodge of brass in another place, but really it ended up copper coloured again. I don't really know how I'm doing this. I don't know if it's a layer that melts onto it, like the copper maybe maybe it ends up a copper coloured as the zinc is melting off, burning off. I don't know. I have no idea what I've done, but again, maybe it's the wire brush spreading the material and sort of like you would, you know, you can brass brush steel, making it brass coloured, so maybe that's happening. I don't know. I need to do more on this. I want to do more on this. I want to explore this further so I can explore different effects, maybe try and get it almost going in a vein of a leaf, maybe. Might do that next. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I know it's sort of maybe a bit of a failure, but anyway, I'll see you soon.